Co tu się działo?
To było dobre. To było zajebiście. Let's go.
Dobra?
Nie wiem, ale damy radę.
Stance, baby.
What is wrong, bro?
Yesterday I was changing the thermostat, which is this part. I did exactly as like I should do, and everything seems to be okay. But after a few runs of driving the car, it seems that the engine is boiling, but it doesn't look like it's boiling. So who knows? Because the zegar it shows that the engine is boiling, and I don't know what's wrong with it. But let's hope that everything will be okay and we'll drive. Let's go. Dobra, jedziemy.
W sumie to jest ważna informacja, której chyba jeszcze nie udzieliliśmy w filmie, więc możesz to jakoś powiedzieć.
Tak, yes. We are filming with Julian. We are filming drifting with my Gruz, and because I cannot drift, we are filming it. And this car, as all of my cars, they don't work. You know, they just have lots of different issues. For example, and the car still runs. So that's why I'm trying to drift, but I cannot do it because I cannot drift. Yeah.